In this video, I'm going to work through stage 4 of Build Your Own BitTorrent on CodeCrafters. So this stage is decoding B-encoded dictionaries. We've already done lists in the previous stage, so if you've been following my videos, I've already done switching over from decoding manually to using surd B-encode. So this stage should be really straightforward. Let's jump over to some code and have a look. Okay, so we have our decode B-encode value. That takes a string, converts it to this generic type, this B-encoded generic type that contains all the things that can be in a B-encoded value. So bytes, which is a string to us, integers, lists. The only thing we've not dealt with is dictionaries. So let's do that next. So we'll create a dictionary, D. And then similarly to what we did with lists, we need to convert this to a surd JSON object. So let's work backwards from that. What do we need? Surd JSON. We want to leave that there. Value object coming from something called object, which we haven't created yet. So that requires a map, which is a custom type, not a standard library map. And hopefully, if we look for, cool, it supports from iterator. So we should be able to create this fairly easily without doing anything clever. Cool, so starting from there then, let's take our input hash map into iterator, map, and when you do iterators with maps in Rust, you can treat the keys and values as a tuple of two values, the key and the value. So key value, there we go. And then for maps, we expect the keys to be strings and the values to be surd JSON values. So let's convert the key to a string. We've done something like that before with this code here. Let's just have that. So let key equals from UTF-8 k. And then we want to convert the value as well. That we can do just using our own convert function. So we'll just do convert v and bubble up the error. And then we will output key comma value. And because we're using question marks here, we're going to need to return a result from this thing. So let's say that's OK of that. Good. It should be able to work out the return type here. If it can't, we can tell it. Then let's do the collect. That's again going to be similar to what we did above. So we'll collect as a result of not that. We'll convert this to a surd JSON map directly. So this is the thing that supports from iterator, so it knows how to convert from iterator. And that should be a map. What type does it support? KV, so we tell it the key type and the value type. String is key, surd JSON value is the value type. Good, so let object equals that, and that should all tie together. Let's try running the tests. Okay, so we've got a warning because of this catch-all here, that's no longer used. We can get rid of that, but otherwise it is passing the tests. So on to the next stage.